Okay, so we're in our next property. So this is the one I was going on about. Right, so this light switch controls that wall light there. Came in, light switch stopped working. Checked the switch was dodgy, changed it over, still not. Basically traced the electricity back, came back, neutral was dead. Test continued between neutral here, back to the consumer unit, nothing. So I knew there was a problem there. So I had it turned on investigation. That light there, which still needs fettled, was there's a cable that goes from here, live and neutral, which is the feed, to this one. This is solid wall, so what I did to avoid chasing anything was basically disconnect the live and neutral in there, make it safe. Same in that one, so there was no power going to it at all. I then, as you can probably see, put it in trunking round over the top of here and down and into the wall here. That takes you to this here. And so basically, yes, straight through. Took a feed from that, disconnected the feed, and that's working. What I'm back here for is, while I was doing a bit of investigation, the consumer unit is over in this cupboard here, in there, so it's really accessible, and then the wires go up and along here. Now there's traces of mice in here, so I thought, great, take the boards up, try and find along the cable where it's split. In hindsight, knowing that it's actually fed from that one, it would have saved a lot of hassle. The problem is with the cable from there to there. So today I'm just going up there. I did run out of time. You can see here the mountain rescue. I did run out of time, so I just sort of cleared up and cleared off. So we're up in there today just to clear out. Look at pulling these. There we go. Nice and easy. These ladders up. So much easier for going up in the ladder. Now what we should need is a screwdriver and dustpan and brush, just to clear up. Okay. Okay, so this is the loft we're in. As far as loft goes, it's quite a nice clean loft. There's only one thing in it, an old microwave. These boards here, had to use a circular saw to cut them along the grooves. They'd glued them for some reason. So all I'm doing today is putting these back and putting a few screws in, tidying up a little bit. That's why I've got the ever faithful bulldozer dustpan and brush. And yeah, we've got a bit of this stuff we need to put down as well. So yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that sort of black there. So that's what a normal Bit of insulation looks like. That one there has been turned into a little nest. There's another one further down here. It's getting a bit dark here, so you probably can't see. Yeah, the little characters are nesting under here, so we need to put a little bit of bait out for them. Okay, so we're got all these boards down now. That goes all the way to about there, so it's a bit dark now. And then it's got this final one to piece down there. And that's stepped a little bit of wood in the way there. Okay, so I just need to put a couple more screws in, and then that's all the boards down. There we go, job done. Right, now just before I do anything, I'm going to wash my hands and go home.